I recommend everyone always go through the at-fault party's insurance first. Let's dive into this question. And the first thing I want to tackle is, whose insurance do you use? This is a typical question that I get, and a good one, because the answer is you can use either your own insurance or the at-fault parties. But there's some give and take on when and why you do it. And here's my advice on that. I recommend everyone always go through the at-fault party's insurance first. If you use your insurance, you're going to have a deductible, and you'll get that deductible back long-term when you're not at fault, but you might be out that deductible for up to 6 months. So can you really afford to do that? So I always tell people, try the at-fault party first, because if their insurance will treat you right, then there's no need to have your claim run through your insurance and be out that deductible, even if it's for a couple of weeks. What do I mean by treat you right? Well, oftentimes at the beginning, you're going to hear things like, oh, we have this under investigation, we can't do anything yet, blah, blah, blah. If they are dragging it out, it's taking weeks, and they still have not adjusted your property damage claim, that's too long, and you may want to stop beating your head against a wall and switch to your insurance. So that's the typical barometer. Give it a couple of weeks, worst case. Now, if you're desperate, if this was your main source of transportation, it may only be a couple of days you can wait because you need to get in a rental, those sorts of things. So each case is a little bit different, but typically if you can withstand it a week or two, see if you can get it worked out with the at-fault. Again, switching to yours, you will be out that deductible for a while, so be prepared for that. Make sure financially you can withstand that loss. You'll get it back eventually once your insurance goes after their insurance company, but it may take quite a while for that to all play out.